Hey y'all, today we're doing turkey wings on the Weber Kettle with some Mississippi white sauce. So we're gonna start, before we season these guys up, I wanna cut all these tips off of these turkey wings. And you just wanna, you're gonna come down through that bone, find a joint. I wanna take them off, you can leave them on, but it's gonna burn. So just try to find that joint and come through. Pop it out. Now, if you want to take these and boil them, make some stock, go right ahead. I believe we're going to skip that today. Just keep it right between that joint. Cut it. You can kind of see where they already have it started. And then we'll come back through and show you the seasonings we're putting on these guys. Okay, so we're going to start off with a little bit of a binder on these. We got these, we pulled out any of these pin feathers that were still in there. We're going to use Killer Hogs hot sauce. I really like this because it's kind of on the milder side. We're just going to give it a good little coat of this on each one, and we'll show you what seasonings we're going to use. You can get away without using the binder here. You could actually even brine these chicken wings if you wanted to. That would definitely add some more flavor, probably some more moisture to them. We're going to keep it kind of simple. Today we're going to cook these on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex with some royal oak charcoal. So let's flip these guys over. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to start off with some of that Killer Hogs TX. Nice coarse. Going to give it some good black pepper and some salt. I'm just going to come across, just give it a nice even coat. Like so, and then we're going to hit it with a light coat of the Hot BBQ Rub by Killer Hogs just to give it a little bit color. So most grocery stores now actually carry, at one time it was hard to find turkey wings, turkey legs in a grocery store when it wasn't around Thanksgiving. A lot of them, at least locally, have been carrying them quite often now. So we enjoy them for something different. We hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Again, we're just going to give it a light coat of this Killer Hogs Hot. We're not looking for a buffalo style wing, given that we're using the white sauce today, but we want to add some nice color and some flavor depth. So we're going to let these sit for a couple minutes. We're going to take them out and show you how we're going to put them on the Weber Kettle. Okay, so we're going to cook these guys indirect. You can see we have our Vortex in here, loaded up with some nice hot coals, and we're just going to set these turkey wings down around the outside. And we're looking for a beautiful color, trying to get some crispy skin. Set these guys around here. I can smell the hair that just burned off my arm. Good, look at that. They all fit nice and pretty on there. We'll come back and check these guys in about a half an hour. I don't want anything to get too dark, so we'll come back, check them, and rotate them, move them around a little bit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and, ooh, yeah. These wings are looking good. We're going to go ahead and give these guys a little bit of a turn. We're about 45 minutes in. Look at the color on them. Give them a little flip. Again, we're still running about 300 on this. So you can see that skin's getting nice and crispy. Smells good. Just gonna get a quick reading here. We're gonna shoot for like 175 on these guys and then sauce them. But I'm just gonna get a quick, yeah, we're almost done with these. So we're gonna let that backside, 168 there. We're going to let that backside get a little bit more crispy, and then we'll go ahead and sauce these, throw them back on, let it set, and we'll show you how these finish. So we're going to take a look at our turkey wings here. Man, they smell good. Man, look at the color on these guys. We know we've hit temp on them. That skin's getting crispy. We're going to go in and get our prep around for wrapping or actually glazing these guys. with that Mississippi white sauce. We'll be right back here in a couple minutes. Okay, our turkey wings are done. Man, they look and smell amazing. We're gonna go ahead and pull these guys off. I'm just gonna put them right in a big bowl. And take a look at them. They look pretty. We're gonna close this back up. We're gonna take them in and show you how we're gonna sauce them and put them back on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sauce up these turkey wings. You can tell that skin's nice and crispy. It smells amazing. Today we're gonna use this Mississippi white sauce by Killer Hogs. If you haven't tried this yet, give it a try. This stuff is amazing. We're just gonna pour this over top, and I am gonna be quite liberal with it. We're gonna close this up, and we're gonna toss these just like you were tossing chicken wings. So just give it make sure everything's good and coated. Just like so. We're gonna take them back out, put them on for about 10 minutes, pull them off, we're gonna eat these guys. Okay, we're gonna put these back on. These wings, let that sauce set up just a little bit. These things freaking smell and look amazing already. Again, we're gonna give these about 10 minutes on here. We're gonna pull them off and give them a try. Whew, doggy. Our wings are ready, y'all. They do, these look amazing. We're gonna pull these guys off. I don't know how long I'm gonna wait for these to cool, because these things smell and look amazing. Take these guys in. I'll show you how they turned out. Okay, so our turkey wings are done. We glazed these again with Killer Hogs Mississippi white sauce. So these things look amazing. They smell great. We just took them off, and I'm not gonna wait to try them. Again, we started out, we cleaned them up just a little bit. There wasn't a lot to do to them. We put a hot sauce binder on, and then hit it with the Killer Hogs TX and the Killer Hogs Hot. And then, as we said, glazed with the Mississippi white sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and try these. Cooked on the Weber Kettle at about 300 using the Vortex. Let's take a bite and see how we did. That skin's crispy, nice and tender and juicy. These things are amazing. The tang you get from that white sauce, the pepper from the TX. We might have found a new wing to make. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Get you some turkey wings. What?